How to check who viewed your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. If you are curious about who is checking your stories and want to track views on your stories, stick around. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are in the app, simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat profile where you can see all your snaps, stories, and settings. Now to check who viewed your story, simply tap on My Story and this will open up your story feed. While watching your story, swipe up on the screen and this will bring up the list of everyone who had viewed your story along with the exact number of views each snap has received. And here you will see a list of usernames who have watched each snap of your story. If you are curious about the exact number, Snapchat shows viewers in order they watch your story. So the first person listed is the first to view your snap. And that's how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.